The UK housing market continues to show a mixed picture as we begin 2026. According to the latest Halifax and nationwide data, house prices have eased recently, with prices dipping modestly in December and growth slowing compared with the end of last year. Halifax reported average values fell to around £297,754, with annual house price growth running barely positive, reflecting a cautious market outlook. Despite this slower pace, housing market activity isn't dead. Rightmove noted a surge in online interest over the Boxing Day period, with visitor numbers and inquiries climbing sharply as buyers and sellers eye opportunities in the early 2026 market. Meanwhile, policy and supply issues remain in the headlines. Chancellor Rachel Reeves is preparing for key housebuilder financial results this week, underscoring the government's ongoing focus on boosting housing supply amid long-standing affordability challenges. On the construction front, the sector has faced headwinds with recent data showing a contraction in output and new house building activity at historic lows. The longest downturn since the global financial crisis. This weak output could limit new supply and put upward pressure on prices in the medium term if demand rebounds. However, longer-term forecasts do still point to modest price growth ahead. Some market commentators and analysts suggest UK house prices could rise by up to around 3–4% through 2026, buoyed by improving affordability and anticipated lower mortgage rates, though much depends on broader economic conditions and government housing policies. Overall, the market feels balanced between cautious buyers and persistent interest, with affordability, interest rates, and supply constraints continuing to drive sentiment. That's your latest snapshot of the UK property market going into 2026.